Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add texture or resource pack in your Aternos server. So first of all, you need to go ahead and download it. So for example, I have downloaded this Adventure Timecraft texture pack, and you want to of course choose your game version here and press these three dots and press download the file, or you just can press this one and it will download the latest version. After you've done that and you have your texture pack, you want to go back to your Aternos server, then press on your server where you want to go ahead and upload. Once you are here, you want to press on options in the left corner. And after you are here on all of these options, you want to find resource pack option. And in the right corner, you will see upload button. Press on it, press plus sign, choose your texture pack, press open, and now it will start uploading, as you can see. And once you have pressed upload, you will see that it is right there. Now what you can do is choose resource pack required. When your friends, for example, joins your server, they are required to download this resource pack. If you don't want this, then you can turn it off. And now the last thing to do is press on the server right there and press start. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.